One of the KDF soldiers killed by Al-Shabaab in an I.E.D. attack at Dobley earlier this month was today laid to rest in his parents' farm in Nyakahura, Kangema, Murang'a County.
Boniface Kamau, 28, was one of the 9 KDF soldiers who died in the May 6th attack. Nyakahura residents joined friends and relatives of the fallen soldiers in grief as he was buried.
The father of the deceased, Simon Irungu, who was in prison for murder, was released after the military intervened to allow him bury his son. The late Simon's coffin was draped in a national flag and he was given full military honors that included a 21-gun salute.
Simon joined the military in 2014 and was on a mission in Somalia where he met his death. He is survived by a widow and 2 children.
His widow, Margaret Wairimu, said he was the breadwinner. KDF representative Major Kavusyu hailed the deceased soldier as a hero, urging Kenyans to continue supporting the government in the war against terror.